Want a dinner that practically cooks itself and tastes like cozy comfort in a bowl? This slow cooker chicken and gravy is the one. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make slow cooker chicken and gravy. It's a dump and go recipe that turns a few simple ingredients into the ultimate comfort meal. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do for our slow cooker chicken and gravy is get the gravy going. And that starts with a can of cream of chicken soup. And then we are going to loosen this up with a little bit of chicken broth. So I'm just going to give this a whisk around. Next up is our chicken. So here I have a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You could use chicken on the bone if you wanted to, it just wouldn't shred as good. So we have this. I'm going to sprinkle some of this packet of ranch seasoning over the top. And then I'm gonna flip it and we're gonna get the other side covered in it too. So what I like to do is just kind of flip it back around again and smear it all over, and then go back in on the top with a second coating. We're going to transfer this to the slow cooker. We're gonna pop the lid on this guy, and now I always like to use slow cooker liners. Makes cleanup a breeze. You can put this on high for 2 to 3 hours or low for 4 to 6, so it takes no time at all. I'm going to put it on low, let it hang out, and then we are gonna come back in and give this a try. Okay, so our slow cooker is done, and our chicken looks perfect. So I'm just going to remove the chicken from the sauce. Wait till you see this. Yeah. So we have our chicken here, and I have these bear paws, they're called, like bear claws. And I'm gonna use these to shred up the chicken. Now, because it's cooked so well, this is just gonna fall apart. You can also do it with a couple of forks. You can use a hand mixer, whatever you prefer. I do love these bear paws though. They're very sharp. We're gonna bring our slow cooker back in. Transfer our chicken back in. I like to do this on a small baking sheet just so I have space to catch everything. You know, there's extra sauce or whatever. Don't leave any of that behind. Now let deliciousness in there. And then give it a twirl around in the gravy. Okay, now, if you are better than me, you will serve this over egg noodles, mashed potatoes, rice, something like that. I'm going to try it just in a bowl. So let me scoop this up because it looks and smells delicious. I mean, just look at that deliciousness. I'm going in. Oh. Biscuits. I would put this over biscuits. And I think I have some biscuits. Oh, my guys are gonna love this for dinner tonight. Yeah. I think I just slopped it all over my face too. Now, if you happen to have leftovers of this dinner, which I know I'm not gonna have any leftovers, but if you have leftovers, it reheats like a dream. I'm telling you, you could eat this, or I could eat this all week long. This slow cooker chicken and gravy is definitely a keeper. It's savory, it's comforting, and it's always a hit. Now, make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab the printable recipe in the video description. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. If you love easy slow cooker recipes, you need to check out my crockpot Salisbury steak next. It's just as cozy and even easier. Click right here and I will see you over there.